gosh! Hi everyone, today we're gonna make a special lime volcano. So we've got some vinegar, we got some baking soda, we've got some food coloring, and we got some limes. So this is the first time that you use this lime. It's not a normal lime, it's a cafe lime, okay? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is take a big white plate. You will take one lime. I'm going to start with the cafe lime. Okay, and then you are going to put the food coloring. So I'm going to put the red one. Use the spoon so it doesn't drop. Like this. And then the blue one, because we're gonna make it purple. The blue. Okay, and then you are gonna put some baking soda, because when you don't put some baking soda, it will not be like a volcano. Okay, then you put some vinegar and see what will happen to this lime. So, see? It's turned purple. This is how you make a lime volcano. Actually, you cannot try it right now. Don't even lick it, okay? Because this is just a science game. Look at it. I'm going to use a little bit more. Oh my god. Let's put some more baking soda because it will do the best thing. One, two, three, go. Wow. Okay, let's do another one. So here, put the food coloring. Let's do this one blue. Put the blue. Everyone, so when I finish putting the food coloring, let's put some baking soda. Yeah. So let's put the vinegar. Oh, I want to see how it looks like. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Let's put some more baking soda! Baking soda. Okay, we put a lot. Oh. Oh, it's turning it! Okay, let's do another one. Some red food coloring. Too much food coloring! But that's alright. Because we're gonna make it explode, right? Yes, we're gonna put the baking soda. Okay, now let's put some vinegar. Oh my gosh, let's see. Oh my goodness! Look at it! Wow. Let's do some of the purple too. Wow. Colors. Spreading around. Woo. And what about we need more vinegar because we've got something. So I need to fill my vinegar first. Okay. So let's put some more vinegar. Wow, look at it. Put some more on the blue. Wow. Okay everyone, so you do know color mixing? Yes you do, so let me show you something. So we're gonna put some food coloring, red and blue, and let's see what color it's going to be. Red, here we go, and blue. Here we go. And we're gonna mix it to see. Mixy now. It's turned purple. So Sadie, you are the best student in this class. And let's try blue with the vinegar. Do you want to? Oh, okay. Put blue first. And let's put the vinegar. Put the vinegar. Put to the blue. And we'll, oh my gosh! A bit more vinegar. Let's do it! Yeah! This after all. I forgot to tell you one thing before I say goodbye. So when you cut the limes, please do not use it by yourself. Ask a grown-up to do it for you. Do not play with the knife by yourself, okay? If you like watching this video, please subscribe to my channel in Kanom's Corner. Bye!